To make global design changes, open the Design section on the left sidebar. You can adjust global settings for text styles, buttons, images, site background, and tablet and mobile navigation layout. Let's go over some of the settings you'll use most often. Open Global Text to adjust global font settings. Open Buttons to change the default button style. Open Global Images to set global borders and shadows for your images. Open Site Background to select a new background for your whole site or just for individual pages. Open Tablet and Mobile Layout to select a navigation style for the tablet and mobile versions of your website.